Oh my god, you always catch me the best times ever. I guess firstly I need to slam this fucking monster.
It's been a while since we talked about coronavirus since Rocket Race. In the second round, Jesse melted smoke inside the cabin of the car. Got it back into the pits. It was smoking out of the left side first and then the right side. We believed at the time we blew an oil gasket in the turbo or maybe a little line, you know, something, as Jesse say, cattywampus. Went wrong. So we planned to run it on Sunday, just in a test and tune pass, just to see how it was going to act going down, if it was still going to smoke or not. That didn't happen because we sleep too much and we overshot it by about 3 hours.
Apparently.
We're the last cars to leave. So we brought it back into the garage. Jesse tore it down, took the heads off, looked at the piston on the driver's side, and as you can tell, we had a major malfunction. The cylinder 3 apparently went a little too lean and she melted. Well, in the process of melting the piston, it also messed up the cylinder wall. There was some gouges in it, some divots. Jesse homed it out. That didn't work too well. Muriatic acid, I believe that's how you say it. Muriatic acid, something. That just discolored everything, including the crank. So Jesse had to floss that out with some memory cloth. Got that cleaned up, cylinder wall cleaned up. So when he first took off the heads, he noticed cylinder 1 was melted or broke where the spark plug threads into on the bottom side. So we decided to pull all the valves out of that, and as I was lapping them, we found that the intake valve was a little bent on cylinder 1, where it almost started to melt. Apparently we're going too lean in that cylinder as well. So with it going lean, we got a new intake valve out of another head laying around, LS6. Lapped them all up. Jesse then decided to pour and polish the exhaust sides of them. Knocked those out a few hours last night. But he also decided that we don't need a stage 2 cam no more. We're going to go with stage 4 cam. We've heard good and bad, and the goal this year is to put Cornovas into at least 890 before the winter. If not, Jesse is going to have attention. So we're going to do what we can. Little Rock came, pulled another LQ9, so we're going to have that ready as a backup for a new one. But as we said, with cylinder 3 melting like that, the cylinder wall is a little...
It's a little bit cattywomp. The whole goal too is that we need to go faster than Lenny too.
So in cylinder 3, it's going to be hard to see, but on the front of the cylinder there is some divots, and
yeah, you can't see.
Jesse tried holding them out, and we decided the best case scenario, well, Jesse decided the best case scenario was some high temp JB weld, and then re-home the cylinder. And we're just going to send it. Just going to take off in it. We're going to run the rest of the year that way. We're going to do a stage 4 camshaft. If it falls on its face, like we've heard, it's quite possible. We'll go back to the stage 2 because lucky Jesse bought a nice 2-piece. So should be an easy swap. We're going to get this thing back together. Jesse got everything completed with the heads port wise. It should be a little bit cleaner, but we're working with the best we got.
You're not supposed to be looking at this. It's not typically probably what you're supposed to be doing to your engine block, but you know, I guess it seemed like the flattest way for me to just clean it off right quick. This is amateur hour anyway. But yeah. I mean, it works the same. That's why body guys are good with everything. be flattening up everything. This is how you deck a block when you don't have the right equipment. What does it matter? We have JB Weld in the one cylinder anyway, so. We're testing out here.
This is the part where Jesse loses things.
Yeah, I lose everything. I lost the fucking light. That's why I can't get anything done. Who knows what I do with it too? Damn it. Why would I even do that? So who knows what's going on here? I don't even know what I was doing. Well, as you know, it's always something around here.
Start it. Oh shit. Or, you know.
Or, as you know, there's always something.
Monotone. Get fucking mad.
I'm not mad. This is why you're better. You know what I'm saying? Willy-nilly. I know.
My story's gonna beat you.
Here we go with the nonsense. Well, here we go with our first issues of life with our nonsense. Or not, but timing chain's a little sloppier than I'm normally used to. I mean, maybe that's a little much, maybe it ain't. I don't know. It's always something with us, but willy-nilly's over there just better than me at this, but you know, I'm monotone. What do you expect? And I'm passive aggressive, so I'm trying to give the people what they want, but it is what it is.
Together, and it seems the timing chain is pretty loose, a little more than we're comfortable with, but time's running out for...
Thankfully, I have a brand new one sitting in the tool room, so we're gonna throw that one on for sure and see what happens.
It's the part store. But time's running out because we live in Cleveland. We don't live in Florida. We don't get to race year round. So we're gonna send it.
We got another month or so, so give the people what they want. And that's not a sloppy timing chain. If a Honda was that loose, would you keep it? Or put a new one on?
That's another 70,000 miles on a Honda. You got like 4 passes left. No, I think a little more than what I'll be comfortable with.
No, it's a little floppy.
Like I would like it there, kind of. But
Seems like the chain might be a little
what are you
stretched.
gonna do?
Think we're making it to test and tune tomorrow night?
I think so. If we could stay awake.
I was thinking we could if we weren't playing video games.
Well, you see, the way it's set up, I ain't got no motivation. Where's my motivation? It's 9:30 in the morning on Thursday. And Jesse has the ambition that he's going to make it a test and tune tomorrow night
I don't see why not.
with Cornova.
I think I can even do it, you know, if we play video games.
Yeah, I'll play video games. But I guess that's what we're going to spend the day in the shop doing today. We're going to get Cornova back together.